I begin to.
Welcome to my channel. Yes, welcome to my channel. My name is Tabitha, but y'all can call me Tabby. So hey there, ladies and gents. Welcome to my channel. So this is my first YouTube video, so we kicking it off with a little tour, a little cleaning video of some of my home today. So that's what y'all can look forward to in store. Cleaning motivation, lifestyle motivation, and getting it all done. I am a mother of 6 and also a full-time supervisor. So I want to bring you guys along on my journey as I decorate on a budget and I get it done. Yes, so welcome to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned. All right, so this is my morning. Can't talk too loud. Kids are still sleeping. So this is my morning. Every morning I wake up and I get ready. In case I have a meeting, I have to, of course, do my hair. So I put on my hair. I call them hats. So I put on my hats. And I do a little bit of like a 5-minute makeup routine, throw on some earrings, and then I have my sweater already in my office to throw over. So in case I have to be on a Zoom meeting, a team meeting, or anything like that, I'm ready to go. But come along with me because I'm going to show you guys how I clean and I get ready early morning, I wake up about 7 a.m. After I get ready, I start cleaning and straightening up. So I'm about to bring you guys along with me and show you what I do. So come on, let's go. Every morning, first thing that I do is open up my blinds to let in the sunlight. It's nothing like waking up and just opening up your home and letting that sunlight shine through. No matter what, I walk around all downstairs, waking up my home so that I'm not feeling like it's still nighttime throughout my home. Put a sunshine emoji below or a sun emoji below. If that's the first thing you do when you get out of bed, if you open up all the blinds in your home and let the sun in. Hey lovies, am I the only one that loves me some Clorox wipes? I know the time that we're in right now is a time where we need to be using them with disinfectant spray as well. But I can go through a whole tube of Clorox wipes. I love wiping down everything with some Clorox wipes. It just makes me feel like everything is even cleaner. Even after I've wiped it down with my regular cleaning spray, I have to go back over it with some Clorox wipes just to make sure that I got every little germ so that my home is safe for my little one. Comment down below if you too are a fan of Clorox wipes, even if it's not just Clorox wipes, any brand of wipes, because I love the Walmart has a brand of cleaning wipes that work really well. They're store brand wipes. Oh, I love them as well. They're thick, they're durable, and they stay a good decency of moisture to them. So I really like theirs too. Comment down below and let me know what you think. This couch from American Furniture Warehouse is so big and so comfy. It fits all 8 of us on it. And oh my goodness, this fresh laundry linen scent from Marshall is so good. It smells so good. Your guests will be like, why does it smell like fresh laundry in your home? So I love this smell. Comment below and tell me what's your favorite scent to spray on your couch or around your home. What scent do you like to have? Thank you so much for staying with me to the end and watching me really reset my home for the day. My home is ready for the kiddos to wake up. I'm ready for any guests if they decide to pop up by. My home is nice and clean and smelling fresh. Let me know below, you guys. How do you reset your home for the day? How do you make sure that it's ready before work or before your regular day if you are actually at home and not working or anything like that? Let me know what you guys do. But I'm really excited about this one here. Upcoming video will be coming out to show you my Christmas decoration, an office tour. So you guys please subscribe and set the notification bell up so that you can get alerts letting you know when those videos are put out. Again, thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. I'm so happy. This just makes me feel so at peace just to see my home nice and clean and ready for the day. You guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.